So we just got back from the hot springs, and I guess it's burning season because they're burning leaves. So this is what we come home to. So yeah, so they burn. It's a burning season where they just burn all the extra leaves.
I have some clothes that I washed yesterday, thinking that maybe they could have possibly had a dryer. I figured this place is so amazing that why would they not have a dryer, right? Well, that was my bad, because there's a lot of places here in Thailand that does not have dryers. So your day is really consistent or really formed around your laundry schedule. So if you have laundry to do, definitely don't plan anything on that day, because you'll be drying, where your clothes will be drying, and you'll be here relaxing by the pool. Oh yeah, oh stretch it out. Oh yeah, man. I really appreciate the fact that they washed my clothes and they hung them up. I just went and got a black dress from over there because that's where my clothes are. But in my laundry pile, I had two dresses and a couple pairs of underwear. I see my dresses. I see that my dresses are there, and I have one here in my hand. But what I don't see... Hey, do you have my underwear? Where are my... Did you take my panties? Oh. Where? Okay, so now the search is on. Don't get mad over there. Okay. Oh, miss. Oh, the little baby. I'm sorry, I had to stop and rub him. He is the cutest. Oh. Okay, so now the search is back on. So this is where the journey began. It's not in here. It's not there. Oh. Have you seen them? Yeah. Oh, you have? Where are... No, you haven't. Okay. Okay. No worries. I'll find them myself. Okay, yeah. Here are my tights. Definitely need those. Not this is not completely dry. So that's what I'm saying. Like, I found like everything else that I had in that pile. Okay, so maybe they put them in the kitchen. Maybe they said, you know, maybe we don't want to intrude on their space, and we're gonna put them away somewhere. Nope, not there. Crap. And they're not there. So this is starting to, I don't know, it's kind of getting to me just a little bit, only because I don't know what they are. That makes me think, oh, don't let my mind get to going. I don't know what they could be. Hey, have you seen my panties?
Yeah, put them on the bed already.
And that concludes the story, you guys. That is the mystery solved right there. Faustino already put them on the bed. So we're still at the Airbnb. We're getting ready actually to head to Chiang Mai. Faustino, you ready?
Yeah, yeah, 1 minute or two.
Is this water? This is crazy because I have to ask whether or not it's water before I drink it. And then I have to smell just to make sure it's water before I drink it. So now we're waiting on Faustino. That is so bomb, pool is so bomb, house is so bomb, I am so bomb, yes.